In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own music in WordPress. If you're looking to personalize your WordPress site with a touch of your own music, you've come to the right place. Adding audio to your WordPress site is not only a great way to engage your visitors, but also an effective way to convey your message or mood more dynamically. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This will take you to the main landing page where we'll begin our journey. Now in the upper right corner you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. It will prompt you to enter your credentials, but today we'll make this really easy by choosing to continue with Google. Simply select that option and you'll be asked to choose the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your WordPress site. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself welcome to the dashboard. This is your control panel for all things WordPress. Now direct your attention to the right hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with various quick links. What you're looking for is Edit Site. Click on it and you'll be taken to another screen where you can start tweaking and enhancing your site. Now here's where the fun part begins. You'll notice a plus icon. Think of this as your toolbox, filled with all sorts of widgets and blocks you can add to your site. Clicking the plus icon will open up a world of possibilities, but today we're interested in adding some music. Once the block menu is open, simply start typing the word audio into the search bar. After you've typed audio, you'll see the audio block option appear. Click on it and this will embed an audio block into your site. Congratulations, you've just created a space for your music. From here you can upload files from your computer or choose from your media library if you've already uploaded some tracks before. Make sure your audio file is in a supported format like MP3 so it plays seamlessly for your audience. Once you've selected or uploaded your audio file, you can customize the player, change the layout, add a title, or play around with settings until it looks and sounds like how you want. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied, don't forget to hit the publish or update button to make your changes live on your WordPress site. Your visitors will now be able to enjoy the personalized tunes you've just added. That's it for today's tutorial on adding music to WordPress. As always, feel free to experiment and make your site uniquely yours. Thanks for joining and happy creating.